Johnny Lightning original triple threat by Topper. Oh, he's dragging her back in. Still cool, still complete as can be. Hey, cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Okay, here's the one I've been waiting for. It's Billy the Kid's Hot Wheel 24 car collector case by Mattel. 1968. Look at that clasp. Beautiful metal clasp. Opens, closes, still works great. I haven't been in this case forever. Let's open it. I'm excited. How about you? You ready? Oh, here we go. I have no idea what's in this. You see it too. Here they are. Oh, look at these beauties. Oh, I gotta set up a different camera angle. I'll be right back. Man, this guy is the coolest around. Look at these cars. They are just blowing me away. What do we got here? Another Johnny Lightning. Look at this killer double, triple engine monster. Look at this triple threat from Johnny Lightning. This is an original. Oh, they repopped this one not too long ago and I had to pick it up because anything with 3 monster engines like in there like that, oh, it makes me crazy. Look at these 2 Johnny Lightnings. Oh, that triple threat has that spare weird wheel on the back. It's just sitting loose, but they're gonna go down this racetrack all the way to the end. Oh, let's see who's all watching. They pulled out of their spots right in front of the supper club to go racing. Let's see what happens. Okay, go! Yes, it worked great! Nice! And this one is killer, cool, and fast! Oh, thanks for racing with us today! You caught me! The wheel from the case that was loose, I just slipped on here. But it is monster big. Look, it's a red line. And look at the original tire on there. It's tiny compared to this one. I have no idea what this came from, but this was in the bottom of Billy's case. I'm gonna carefully put that back in there when I return them. Another wheel gone! Oh, break my heart! This one's missing a wheel! Oh, the calamity of it all! Now these exhausts are pretty good and these are good, but man, this one must have hit someone's head and bent it up. Too bad, so sad! I'm digging the color on this and look at the profile again. These guys got some sweet lines happening and little weird shapes on it that really make these cars stand out. But look at this thing. Even with the wheel gone, got a little number 8 and then some other sticker on there, BO or something. What is that thing? Obi-Wan Kenobi? Oh, this was way before that. Look at that hood scoop on the front, simple, cool details, red line tires imitating Hot Wheels, and a see-through chassis. Oh, it's too bad there ain't some wheel wells and fenders in there. A seat or something. But I'm digging that. It almost looks like the Tarantula by Tom Daniel. Look at all these rail dragster things. He had a theme going. Look at these two totally rocking the racetrack today. Oh, they're going fast. Holy smokes. Totally cool. Oh, and those exhaust pipes. This side's good. This side, little whack-a-jacket. Johnny Lightning, triple threat. Oh, U.S. and foreign patent pending. Top of. Here we go. Johnny Lightning. Triple threat. U.S. and foreign patent pending. Oh, and that Topper logo telling us this is one of the original killer cool cars of all time. Oh, that wheel, let's put it back on so it at least sits upright. Oh! Now you remember this triple threat? We put on that spare wheel. That's a jumbo wheel on there. Oh, it fell off. Remember, it was a spare wheel in the case. And we put it on there. Just like that. But look how much bigger it is than the other wheel. But you know what? I think they race well. Check this out. Ready? Ready! Oh! 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 False start! Oh, we're at Johnny Roman's Supper Club, and we got Bill's 1969 Hot Wheel case cars all lined up in front of the Supper Club. Look at them all. Oh, and guess what else is in front of the Supper Club? Rumblers and the racetrack. Oh, yeah! So much fun. Oh, boy, let me tell ya, it's a short track, but it is sweet as can be. Thanks for coming into the Supper Club. Take a look. Let's see what races and what doesn't. Oh! Look at these two. Killer combo. Oh! Oh! The mighty Maverick is not that mighty. Oh, but that Ferrari really rocked it. Sweet racing. Oh, so nice. So nice. Yes. Man. Oh, look at that worked great! Oh, those fobs. Killer. God, man, they're so much fun. So beautiful, the sound. Racing through the Hot Wheel track. This is a triple threat and flame out. Side by side now, the triple threat has that one weird big jumbo wheel. But that's okay, lane 1 and 2. Let's see if I can get a good start on this. Oh, nice! That worked out pretty good. What do you think? On my short quarter-mile track? Aha! This case is so cool, I don't know where to start. Johnny Lightning, triple threat. Come on, let's go get a triple treat loaded down with ice cream. Thanks for bringing this one into the Supper Club. This is an original triple threat by Johnny Lightning. Topper. Oh, still missing a wheel. Whistle wheel. Wada wooda weeda beeda bada beeda. I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on old Johnny Clark. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be!